1,000 yun eh. Ano naman? Oops, ni-research ko. Ni-research ko. But these are not favorite na ano, no? Let me just put it this way. I must, sabihin ko na lang, these are the stories also na tumatak din sa akin, no? Kasi lahat sila favorite ko eh. Siyempre, it's my show, you know. Pero there are some na naiiwan pa rin hanggang ngayon sa aking alaala yung mga shows nito. Yung kwento ni Abdul naman. Alam nyo, pagkatapos ng interview sa kanya, naiyak ako. Naiyak ako and I was pushed to, you know, tumindig ako. And I said, give me a hug. Automatic. You know, give me a hug. And he hugged me. And this was because I faced a young man. So young, very, very young man who had, you know, who surmounted problems na talagang hindi mo akalain na maaayos niya yung buhay niya on his own. If you will recall yung story niya, na-abuse siya ng father niya. Tapos, na siya ang nag-alaga sa mother niya, sa kapatid niya. Basta, yung buhay niya napaka-complicated. But in the end, he won all his fights. Isa yan. Okay. Siyempre, kay Alden Richards. Nanalo si Alden Richards dito Ano naman title ng kanina? Yung parents niya, may mental problem, may mental illness. And he was the one who had to. Baliktad yung buhay doon. Imbis sa parents taking care of children, ito naman, the son taking care of both parents who are mentally ill. Di ba?
Sa puso at isipan.
He won, best actor.
Sa puso at isipan.
No?
Sa puso at
isipan. Yes. You are correct. So yun, gusto ko rin yun. Yung this young girl was afflicted with, let me see if I can remember the name of the disease. Osteogenesis imperfecta. Osteo refers to bone. Ang bone niya, lumalambot as she gets older. And so she's the one na meron siyang bed na tinutulak, hindi siya nakatindi, hindi siya naka-wheelchair because her bones were soft na yung bones niya. Hindi na talaga, konting kibot yun, mababali ang mga bones niya, no? But up to now it's there kasi she was such a cheerful person despite that, no? Nag-aaral siya. She was a normal girl, no? She would also fall in love. So I thought, tignan mo itong bata nito, sa hirap ng kanyang buhay, no? She was always over and above all the problems that she would encounter. And she knew that her life was short. She knew she was just waiting for the time that God would call her. Pero hindi niya tinigil yun. Nag-aaral siya. She dances in her cart and nakakatuwa. So I am also, kung sasabihin nyo you are inspired by magpakailanman, ako yung numero uno inspired when I meet these people. You know? Unimaginable na may mga taong gano'n. Ang lakas talaga ng mga loob nila. And I just say, well, because maybe God really